Hi guys, I'm doing an unboxing video for Influenster. I'm doing an unboxing video for the YSL Rouge Pur Couture lipsticks. So this is my second YSL box from Influenster. I'm very fortunate, and I actually was really surprised that I actually even got this because I just did another one not too long ago. But I know what the product is because I already saw the spoilers. I'm so excited. Anyway, so let's get to opening up the box. First thing inside is an information card, and it has Cara looking stunning, and some information about the product and Influenster and YSL. So there's that, and then there are two boxes, or containers I should say, of lipstick. I hope you can see this. I know there's a lot of glare, but they're gold, and one is number 9 Rose Stiletto, and the other one is number 19 Fuschia, if you could read that. So the first one I'm going to open up is going to be the number 9, the Rose Stiletto, and inside is this beautiful gold tube. It's square. I don't know if you could see that. Number 9. And when you open up the lipstick, it is this really pretty kind of rose colored. I don't know if you could even read where it says YSL on there. It's stamped on there. And that is, I'm going to try that. I'll show you a swatch on my hand. And it's super creamy, and it smells wonderful. I'm going to put that down, and it looks like that. And the other one is the Fuschia. And this one is super bright, super fuchsia. If you could see that. And that also has a YSL printed on it, but I don't think you can see it. And that I will try on as well. So on my wrist, the upper one, I don't know if you can see that, is the Rose Stiletto, and the bottom one is the Fuschia. So I think what I'll do is, let's try the Rose Stiletto first. Oh, I think I just got that on my nose. It smells like roses. I mean, aside from the fact that it's called Rose Stiletto, like, the lipstick smells amazing. And it's super creamy, and it's a really pretty color. Take the seat back a little bit. It's this dusty, mauve-y color. It's beautiful, and I really like that. So this is a good one for fall. And I'm going to try the Fuschia next. So after I wipe that off, here's the Fuschia. Oh, this is fun. It's super bright. I don't think I would wear this to work, but I think I would definitely wear it out in the evenings or just out with friends. I actually think it's kind of more of a summer or spring color rather than the fall color, but I kind of dig it. It's It's kind of special. And this lipstick, again, it just feels super moisturizing and creamy and smells delicious. It's really lightweight. It doesn't feel like there's anything on your face. So, yeah. Thank you, Influenster. I'm going to continue to test these products and see what outfits I come up with and leave my reviews. So, that's the unboxing. Thanks, Influenster, and see you guys later. Bye.